Your Hisense Roku TV won't turn on. No sound, no picture, no response. Before assuming the worst, I'll walk you through a series of simple steps that often fix this issue right at home. In this video, I'm covering every safe and effective troubleshooting method to help get your TV working again. The first thing to check is the power supply. Make sure your Hisense Roku TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet and not through a power strip or surge protector, because those can sometimes cause problems. Unplug the TV and try plugging it straight into the wall. Then, to make sure the outlet is working, take another device like a lamp or something that uses about the same amount of power and plug it into the same outlet. If that device works normally, you'll know the outlet is fine. If it doesn't, the problem might be with the power source, not the TV. Unplug your Hisense Roku TV from the wall and find the physical power button on the TV itself. It's usually right under the IR receiver. Press and hold that button for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power from the TV. After that, leave it unplugged for a full 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and try turning it on again. Take a look at the remote control. Start by checking the batteries. Even if they look fine, it's a good idea to replace them with new ones just to be sure. If you're still not getting any response from the TV, try turning it on using the power button on the TV instead of the remote. That way, you can tell if the remote is the problem. Now, disconnect all external devices from the TV. That includes HDMI cables, USB drives, or anything else plugged into the ports. Once everything is disconnected, unplug the TV again, wait a bit, and plug it back in. Sometimes a connected device can interfere with how the TV starts up, so this step can help rule that out. Look for the reset button on your TV. It's usually a small pinhole either near the power button or on the back panel. Use a paper clip or something similar to press and hold that button for about 20 seconds. After you let go, give the TV a moment to reboot and see if it powers on. Check the standby light on your TV. If it's blinking, pay attention to how many times it flashes. Some TVs use blink patterns to show specific problems. If you see a blinking pattern, it's a good idea to check your user manual or contact Hisense support to find out what it means. That's it for this video on how to fix a Hisense Roku TV that won't turn on. I hope these steps help you get your TV working again without any stress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech solutions. Got a question, or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear how it went for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.